The next one it's going to take you is to your social history. Now, if you're a smoker, you can go ahead and update this. This will help you with certain types of surgeries. It's important to know that data because it can affect your healing. So, and then it'll ask you like how many packs. And a lot of people do a pack a day, say done it for the last decade. This one right here, this right here is asking about alcohol intake. I put less than 1 drink per day, like if you're a weekend drinker or something. You can fill out this information if you need to. That one's not vitally important. The exercise status is fairly important. So you can select whatever activity level you're at there. And then once you're done filling out that, you can go ahead and hit save that. Quality measures, that's something that we do more in the office, and that'll be the medical assistant that gets that information. Family history, you can go ahead and click here. And if you needed to enter something like you had a family history of scoliosis, um, it'll pull, you can go ahead and type that up and it'll auto populate. And you can go ahead and enter that. Um, and then it'll ask you which family member that pertained to. So if it was your mother, you can go ahead and click that. And then if you also had it in your grandmother, you can click that as well. Then you can go ahead and click save there. And that would be updating your medical and family history.